How to make a Cancer man fall in love with a Leo woman. When a Cancer man meets a Leo woman, the connection can feel magnetic yet challenging. He is guided by the moon, sensitive and protective, while she shines with sun-like confidence and charisma. To make this relationship flourish, the Leo woman must understand his emotional world while embracing her natural radiance. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are practical ways to make a Cancer man fall in love with a Leo woman. 1. Show emotional security. Cancer men crave stability and loyalty. A Leo woman can win his heart by proving she is dependable, trustworthy, and committed. Small gestures of consistency make him feel safe and valued. 2. Admire his sensitivity. While the Leo woman often commands attention, she must pause to notice his quiet strength. Complimenting his caring nature and showing appreciation for his protective side deepens the bond. 3. Balance confidence with softness. Her natural charisma is captivating, but too much dominance may overwhelm him. To make a Cancer man fall in love, she should balance her boldness with tenderness, giving him space to lead emotionally. 4. Share vulnerabilities. A Cancer man opens up when he sees genuine sincerity. By revealing her own dreams, fears, or insecurities, a Leo woman encourages him to trust her with his deepest feelings. 5. Celebrate differences. Conflicts may surface, his cautious nature versus her fiery independence. Instead of clashing, they should celebrate how these differences complement each other. He brings depth, she brings light, and together they create balance. 6. Acknowledge his efforts. Cancer men are devoted partners when loved right. A simple thank you or recognition of his care reassures him that his efforts are meaningful, strengthening his desire to commit fully. Understanding how to make a Cancer man fall in love with a Leo woman lies in harmony, balancing his need for security with her radiant energy. When she offers reassurance while still shining in her natural light, their love can grow into a powerful union, blending sensitivity with passion in a lasting partnership. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.